MeghalayaPost.news.
Ha kajing tokit ka bajur jong ki pulit ka jela halo kajing yap jong uraja Raghuvanshi ki pulit kila Pyntikna ba uraja ula Shah Pyniap dagawe ka wait ka banang thamai ka bala penukam ban Pyniap uraja ha ka ba ya ka wait tayo bantam nakajaka ka bajang atang kumbak atuk ane kilometer nakajaka bala lap ka mediap nakaliang Superintendent of Police ka East Kasil District uba Vivek Sim ulai thu ya kane hajing keren baki nong tok kubor benta ka janmit da ka ba Pyntikna ba uraja ula Shah Pyniap bat ki pulit kila register mukodma ban tokit halo kane kajing Shah Pyniap jong uraja baru ya ka daw ulai turu baya jing tokit ke babnia on chimti daka konhon jongka special investigation team lane SIT ban lam khmat do SPCT uba herbat kharkongor ki balas dang ban pelong ke jing tokit harangkat ka konhon bala donlang de ki sangut ki deputy superintendent of police kuntup yo DSP crime bar arngut ki sub inspector ula puntibru bagi pelit kinang am saya ka khaipot jongka postmortem bantip lau raja ulayap shua ne ulayap hadin bala bret yu syariat banakane ka khaipot on salak bantibru ya ki jingman saw jong nakaliang ka konhon ki pulit kidanglum ya ki saki satar ki babiang ban poitat seduk obkot jongkane ka jing tokit bantip lakane ka dei ka jing Shah Pyniap amar ka jing tumulute ne Pyniap dusmon ne nakano ka daw hapdeng kitu ki badon keti persya yo balaklat lane uraja syusyuru nakaliang ki pulit kinang peteng ban watpat sai ka kurim jong uraja ka sonam segi jaka bamarjan daga bakmi ya ka jingjengai ka 20 kilometer hadu ar kilometer naka jaka balalap ya ka mediap jong uraja.
See, today I'd like to, since you all have got an update since yesterday, today the search has continued again in Wesaudong Falls, and NDRF also has been involved. So the gorge is about 3 layers, and they have gone right to the last layer, and NDRF, SDRF, SOT have gone down, and they have recovered the phone of the victim. And they've also recovered the weapon which was used. It was dao, the knife which was used, and that has been seized. However, the wife of the deceased has not been found yet. Tomorrow we'll resume again our search in the same area and in the adjoining areas which is close by. It's because the gorge extends to quite a distance from there, so we'll be looking for those areas which is about, say, 1 or 2 kilometers from that place. So it is in the same alignment with the job, with that same gorge which we of Wesaudong. So our priority right now is to again look for the body of the female. See, like I said in my press release yesterday, we can't rule out any we can't rule out all possibilities. So let the facts come in, and yes, the weapon was used to murder. Whether the motive was for robbery, or if there was a vendetta, or there was any form of hatred or any issue in between the accused and the victims, we need to find that out. So facts will come forth as and when we investigate. So we need to look for more evidence in the place of occurrence. We need to look for evidence elsewhere also, and then only we can come to a certain conclusion. But otherwise, at this juncture, it's premature to say anything. We need to find more evidence. Our aim is to get more evidence, then we can say something concrete. Otherwise, it'll just be mere assumptions. No, there's no doubt. In fact, I have already said it's a case of homicide. The body which we got yesterday, the person has been murdered. There's no question about it. And we've registered a case also for murder, common intention, and for destruction of evidence or non-disclosure of trying to hide since the body was thrown. So the attempt was to try to hide all forms of evidence. So that section also is there. So there's no doubt that it is murder, but we have to find out what is the motive behind it. See, we can't say that dao is available everywhere. You can even buy it online. So we'll have to find out. But what I can say, it's a new dao, just used for this purpose only. It's not an old dao where people use it every day for cutting wood or anything. It's a new dao, but just for this purpose only. See, we can't say whether he was killed and then thrown. But yes, once we get the postmortem report, then we can ascertain from the kind of injury whether the injury out there is fatal for him to have died before being thrown, or whether he was alive and being thrown. So we'll know from the postmortem that yes, he was thrown, and because he died out of the fall. So that will come in the postmortem report. Yes, the route taken by the scooty is in line with that it had gone to Wesaudong and had come out to Sauraran. Yes. Yes, we in fact we've treated this as a special report case. It is on topmost priority. We have the special investigation team investigating this case. The team will be headed by the SP City. There are other 3 DSPs, DSP Crime, DSP City, and DSP Ops, and four DSPs and SDPO Sora. And we have 2 sub-inspectors also. One is the IO and one is the assistant who will be supporting the IO. So we have many GOs in this special investigation team. That only says that is a case of topmost priority.
MeghalayaPost.news